Today was spent on the beautiful waters of Biscayne Bay. I was here with my good friends from the U.S. sailing event for the Olympic sail racing. There's Dave Dodgen and my good friend, and also Paul Fenn from Jeanneau. My favorite people were here aboard a beautiful Prestige, and we're out watching these sailboat races. I'm pretty sure these were the 49ers just about to go across their start. I tell you what a picturesque view this is with the Miami City skyline in the background. I'm sure these people were having a blast sailing on such a beautiful day with nice winds and in the protected waters of the Biscayne Bay. Here they come on a downwind leg with their spinnakers up. There were some beautiful colored sails here. It was so neat to watch them, how they were out on a hull like that, about ready to tack here. Watch, hurry, go ahead. There they go. Go USA! There's my buddy Paul Fenn, busy filming, making his own videos, having fun. Don't fall over, Paul! Woo! Oopsies. I guess they went over the line and had to start over again. That would be frustrating. Now this is what I want to do. Flying on the hull of a NACRA on a co-ed team for USA. Wow, that looks like a blast. Look how beautiful that is. They were really going today, having some fun. Here they are, just crossing the line, and look how quickly they put this spinnaker away. I tell you, it disappears within a second. So this is the end of the NACRA races. Coming in, down the main spinnakers up. Fast, having fun. Of course, the weekend wouldn't be complete without some fun with friends. We went to a local winery up north called Sons and Daughters. They had chickens, and it was this awesome permaculture garden. They made starfruit wine, passion fruit wine, hibiscus wine, and blue corn wine. Taz and Richard are always having fun. I love them both so very much. Here's my friend Katie from high school joining us. She was the one that found this awesome place. And we came and listened to the Grammy-winning band Yarn and enjoyed some pizza and enjoyed this bonfire on a chilly, cold night in South Florida. Thanks so much, guys, for making my weekend such an adventure.